In this video, you'll learn how to use the AI Game Builder to generate trivia questions in seconds. It's the fastest way to create a complete game without writing every question yourself. The AI Game Builder is a pro feature. You'll need an active pro subscription to access it. If you're on a free plan, you can upgrade in settings. Go to the Games tab and create a new game, or open an existing one. In the game editor, look for the Create with AI section. It's between the category drop-down list and the question list. Now tell the AI what to generate. In the topic field, enter a keyword or phrase that describes your topic. This could be broad like science or specific like 90s hip hop or World War II battles. The more specific you are, the more targeted your questions will be. For example, Marvel movies gives you general superhero trivia, but Marvel Cinematic Universe Phase 1 gives you questions specifically about Iron Man through Avengers. Once you've entered your topic, choose a question count. AI will generate 5 to 20 questions based on your topic. Click Generate Questions when you're ready. The AI will create a batch of questions. This usually takes just a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see the questions listed with their answers already filled in. Here's the important part. Always review the AI output. AI-generated questions are a great starting point, but they're not perfect. Check each question for accuracy. Look at the answers and make sure the correct one is actually correct. If something's wrong, click the question to edit it manually. You can also delete questions that don't fit or reword them to match your style. Once you've reviewed and corrected the questions, click Create Game if you're creating a new game, or Save Changes if editing an existing one. The AI-generated questions replace your existing question list. You can add more manually or run the AI Builder again with a different topic. When you're done, click Save Changes to keep all your changes. Quick tip: getting wrong answers? This happens occasionally with niche topics. Don't publish AI questions without reviewing them first. Always verify before going live. You've used the AI Game Builder to generate questions, reviewed them for accuracy, and added them to your game. Next, we'll cover game sessions, how to go live and let players join your trivia.